So I want to show you how to make fufu powder. Easy way of now to, it's boiling now. The water is boiled. Let your water to boil very well. I will remove out of it. So I will use this one for any maybe make it soft. So still want to remove some water. If it's too thick, I will add. So you just boil, then you stir it. As you are pouring, you are stirring it. You are stirring it, see. Getting too strong, I will add water. So I still want to add water. It's too strong, so I add water. I'll still cover it to boil very well so that to get done. But this one I'm just working towards the texture that I want. How strong and how hot I want it to be. You can see how it is. You can see. So I'll still put more water. It's strong. To me, it's too strong. So you can see how this thing is very thick and swell. You can see. So I think I'm okay with the texture. So, but I still add water to boil it again. You have to make it down the way. So still spread it a little bit. Then now add water. Perfect. I'll cover it for some minutes, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I now stir it again. So it's done already. You can see the color. It's now creaming, showing that it's done. So after this one, it's ready for eating. So you can see that it's not that difficult. And it's drawing very well. Drink this. Force it. So it's done. Let's see how it is. So beautiful. So that's our fufu powder. You can see that it's simple. It's not hard. Okay, subscribe to our channel, please do so, and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.